Counsel, can you explain whether or why your theory would allow a cisgender boy who just couldn't make the boys' team? I mean, he doesn't have an equal opportunity, he can't play, there's no team he can play on, and let's say that his athletic ability can be shown that he has no competitive advantage and he wants to be on the girls' team. Why can't he on your theory?
I appreciate the question. I think I just want to be clear about what we think the justification for the separate teams is. We don't think the boys' team is for better athletes and you have a backup team for athletes that aren't as good. I think the purpose of the teams is to control for the variable of sex-based advantages so that talented women athletes have all the same opportunities as talented male athletes. But also, untalented male athletes should be compared to untalented women athletes. So they're not being separated based on how good you are, right? The whole point is to allow female athletes to have all the same opportunities as men by controlling for the sex-based differential that comes through puberty. And so that's why I don't think that the claim is the same there. I think that's what's happened here is by virtue of her medical care, B.P.J. has already effectively controlled for those sex-based advantages. And so she is completely in the position that she would have been if her birth assigned sex had been female. As opposed to a cisgender boy who's just not very good at sports, and if his birth assigned sex were female, maybe he'd be even worse, I don't know. But again, the purpose is to control for the variable of sex to provide equality, not to have a good team and a team for people that can't cut it.